Hello, you lovely people. Welcome to my kitchen, where today we're about to embark on a delicious adventure together. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, I promise this recipe will be fun, easy, and absolutely scrumptious. So grab your aprons and let's dive right in. Today we're transforming a beautiful, vibrant pumpkin into tasty, crispy bites that are sure to become a new favorite in your home. Pumpkins aren't just for decoration, they're a fantastic ingredient that can be used in so many creative ways. Forget carving for a moment. Instead, let's focus on making something truly delicious and wonderfully simple. No fancy equipment needed, just a sharp knife, a little bit of patience, and a love for good food. Pumpkin is a true superstar in the kitchen. It's packed with vitamins like A and C, loaded with fiber, and has a naturally sweet, earthy flavor that works beautifully in both savory and sweet dishes. Plus, that gorgeous orange color just makes everything look so inviting. Today we'll create food that not only tastes incredible but also makes you feel fantastic. These pumpkin bites are a healthier alternative to store-bought snacks, and you'll know exactly what's going into them, just wholesome, fresh ingredients. Imagine biting into a snack that's crispy on the outside, soft and tender on the inside, and bursting with flavor. These pumpkin bites are perfect as a snack, a party appetizer, or even as a side dish for your next meal. They're so versatile you'll want to make them again and again. And what's a great snack without a delicious dip? We'll also whip up a quick, creamy yogurt dip that pairs perfectly with our pumpkin bites. It's tangy, refreshing, and comes together in just a few minutes. Cooking at home should always be fun and easy, and it's even better when you can share the experience with family or friends. Get everyone involved. Kids can help mix, and adults can handle the chopping. It's a wonderful way to make memories together. This recipe is truly for everyone. We're using fresh, simple ingredients that you can find at any market. There's nothing complicated here, just pure, honest flavors that bring joy to your table. So let's get everything ready, gather your ingredients, clear some space on your counter, and get excited for a little kitchen adventure. Cooking is all about having fun and enjoying the process, not just the end result. I'll be right here to guide you through each step, making sure you feel confident and inspired. By the end, you'll have a dish you can be truly proud of. So, let's do this, team. Let's get cooking with pumpkin and make something amazing together. First, let's get started by prepping our pumpkin, which is the star of this dish. Choosing a medium-sized pumpkin is ideal, as it offers the perfect balance of sweetness and texture for our recipe. Carefully cut the pumpkin in half using a sharp, sturdy knife. We'll only need half for this recipe, so set the other half aside for another meal or to roast later. Next, scoop out the seeds and stringy bits from the center. Don't throw those seeds away, they can be roasted for a tasty snack. Then, peel the pumpkin and grate it finely. Grating helps it cook evenly and blend smoothly into our dish. Place the grated pumpkin in a steamer basket and steam for 10 to 15 minutes, or until it's soft and tender. Steaming preserves the pumpkin's nutrients and brings out its natural sweetness. While the pumpkin steams, let's turn our attention to the other vegetables. Finely chop onion, garlic, carrot, and bell pepper. The finer you chop, the better they'll blend into the final dish, creating a harmonious texture. These colorful veggies are the foundation of our flavor. Each one adds its own unique taste and aroma, making the dish vibrant and delicious. For even more nutrition and depth, add chopped tomatoes, zucchini, mushrooms, and a handful of fresh spinach. These ingredients not only boost the health factor, but also add beautiful color and variety. Each vegetable brings something special to the table. Tomatoes add tang and juiciness, zucchini brings moisture, mushrooms offer earthiness, and spinach is packed with iron and vitamins. Be sure to chop all your veggies into small, even pieces. This helps them cook quickly and blend seamlessly, ensuring every bite is full of flavor. With all your vegetables prepped and ready, you've created a colorful garden of goodness in one bowl. Now let's move on and start cooking this delicious, wholesome dish. With all our veggies prepped and ready, it's time to start building that irresistible flavor base that will make our pumpkin bites truly shine. This is where the magic begins, and every step counts. Take a moment to appreciate the colors and freshness of your ingredients. They're the foundation of a delicious dish. Start by heating a generous splash of olive oil in a large pan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion, garlic, carrot, and bell pepper. Sauté them gently, stirring often, until they become soft, fragrant, and just begin to caramelize. This slow cooking draws out their natural sweetness and creates a rich, savory base. Next, add in the tomatoes, zucchini, and mushrooms. Stir everything together and let the mixture cook for several minutes. The vegetables will release their juices, blending their flavors and creating a juicy, hearty mixture. Let them simmer until everything is tender and the pan smells amazing. Now toss in a generous handful of fresh spinach. Stir it through the hot vegetables until it wilts down, turning a vibrant green and adding a boost of nutrition and color to the mix. Once the spinach is wilted, turn off the heat. Sprinkle in your favorite fresh herbs, think parsley, basil, or chives, and a handful of shredded cheese. The herbs add brightness, while the cheese melts in, making the mixture creamy and full of flavor. Transfer the cooked vegetables to a food processor or blender. Pulse until you have a thick, rustic paste. You want some texture, so don't overblend, just enough to bring everything together. This hearty mixture is the heart and soul of our pumpkin bites. It's what gives them their incredible taste and satisfying texture. Packed with flavor, color, and wholesome goodness, this veggie base is both nourishing and delicious. Every bite will be bursting with the essence of fresh vegetables and herbs. Go ahead and taste a spoonful. You'll notice the sweet, savory, and earthy notes, all coming together in perfect harmony. It's a celebration of veggie power. This rich, textured mixture is truly the soul of our dish, and it's what will make your pumpkin bites unforgettable. Well done, you've just created a beautiful, flavorful base. Let's move on to the next step together. You're doing an amazing job. We're on the home stretch. Mix steamed pumpkin with our veggie puree. Add oatmeal and egg and baking powder for texture and binding. Season with salt and pepper. Mix well and let it sit for 10 minutes. The mixture should be soft but not sticky. Adjust with oats if needed. Shape into bites, ready for frying. This rustic mixture is ready for transformation. The hard work is done, now for the fun part. Let's fry them up. Heat olive oil in a pan for crispy bites. Form small patties and fry until golden brown. Cook in batches for even crispiness. Let them sizzle and form a crust. Flip when golden, cooking both sides. The smell is out of this world. Sweet pumpkin and savory veggies. Remove bites onto paper to absorb excess oil. Serve warm for the best crunch. Look at those golden nuggets of joy. You've done an amazing job. Every bite needs a fantastic dip. Mix Greek yogurt with chopped pickles, olives, and fresh herbs. Add lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Stir until combined, cool, tangy, and perfect. Plate your crispy bites with the dip in the center. Garnish with herbs and paprika for color. It's a dish to be proud of. Simple, healthy, and special. Home cooking is about fun and delicious food. Grab a bite, dip, and enjoy the flavors. Pucka.